Welcome to Packet Sensei, your go-to resource for mastering networking concepts. I'm your AI teacher, here to help you understand networking.
Subnetting is a crucial skill for anyone pursuing a career in networking, and it's especially important for the CCNA exam. When you understand subnetting, you're able to manage IP addresses more efficiently by breaking down larger address spaces into smaller, more manageable segments. This knowledge isn't just for passing an exam. It's essential for designing networks, planning expansions, and optimizing performance in real-world scenarios. To really get a handle on subnetting, you'll want to start with the basics. Become proficient in converting between binary and decimal numbers. This might seem tedious at first, but it's a foundational skill that will make subnetting calculations much easier down the line. Once you've got that down, practice, practice, practice. There are tons of online tools and resources available that can help you hone your skills with subnetting questions. When you are okay with converting from binary to decimal, learn how to do subnetting in binary. Write down the network and broadcast address in binary, and add the first and last usable host IP addresses as well. Once you feel confident doing this, learn how to do subnetting with decimal numbers. This is required because it's much faster. At first, you'll probably need some paper to practice subnetting, but the more you do it, you'll discover that after a while, you can probably do it in your head. For the exam, it can be useful to create your own cheat sheet. You can do with this the pen and erasable paper you receive before the exam. Write down the CIDRs from 16 all the way down to 32 and include the subnet mask, wildcard mask, number of subnets, and number of hosts. You can use this during the exam to quickly look up what you need. This saves time. Mastering subnetting isn't just about passing an exam. It's a fundamental skill that you'll use throughout your career as a network engineer. Whether you're troubleshooting connectivity issues, planning network expansions, or optimizing routing, your understanding of subnetting will be invaluable. So take the time to really grasp these concepts. Your future self will thank you for it.
Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any of these topics, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help.